one. For the first treat, we're using a used treat stick that Salvador and Skip were already done with, but you can also use any stick that fits. Spread Annie over and around the stick. Annie has natural antiseptic and healthy powers. Cover the honey with millet seeds. We added sesame seeds and uncooked oats to the mixture. You can also add grinded eggshells. For the second treat, we'll make a fruit treat out of honey, apples and mashed bananas, but you can also add other healthy fruits for budgies. Make a ball out of the apple and banana. The honey will help glue everything together, and then cover the bowl with millet seeds. The texture is soft, which is just how they like it. And that's it! You have a cheap and healthy treat for your budgies in 3 minutes.